morning,
Hi.
sir. Sir, can we ask your thoughts or reaction doon sa Senate's decision to archive the articles of impeachment against VP Sara? One of the framers po ng 1987 Constitution, si Attorney Christian Monsod, said it amounts to a dismissal. And you've mentioned, sir,
It amounts to?
to a dismissal
No.
po.
Let me clarify that. The merits of the case were not examined by the Supreme Court. This is not, doesn't mean, this does not decide the merits of the case. It just talked about procedure. So the procedure was faulty, was lacking. So yun ang assessment ng Supreme Court. It has no bearing on the rightness or wrongness of the impeachment case.
And your reaction, sir, dun sa naging pagboto po ng Senado to archive? Nasabi niyo, sir, ano kayo? Interested observer po kayo.
Kaya nga, so I've observed that they voted in, that's it. I keep telling you, the executive has no role in this. The president has no role. I'm an impeachable officer. I cannot involve myself in any of this. So, well, it's really the Supreme Court, the Senate, and the House. So yun ang kanilang. That's where the decisions were made. Well, between on the issues between the House, the Senate, and the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has decided, and like I've said, that's it. That's the Supreme Court has decided.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You've declared a hardline approach against corruption, even against allies. And impeachment developments aside, how can people still be confident in our accountability mechanisms, given all the political noise?
Again, there has been no trial. So the merits of the case have not been examined, tried, adjudicated, argued, discussed. So accountability just doesn't come into it. People have to understand, it is a procedural question. Sinabi, mali yung date, hindi tama ang pagkagawa ng House. Walang kinalaman doon sa laman ng impeachment complaint. Kung hindi, kung paano yung pagka-handle ng impeachment complaint.
Sir, how would you address her standing corruption allegations?
I'm sorry?
How would you address her standing corruption allegations?
Those corruption allegations?
Outside.
Well, you know, we have already COA, we have already all of this. I'm sure the House and the Senate will start to conduct further investigations on this because it's really within their purview. So we have all of the mechanisms that are available to us in terms of checks and balances. All we have to do is to try and get some answers. That's it. Yeah, we have to make very, very clear to everyone that the Supreme Court decision does not have any bearing on the rightness or wrongness of the merits of the impeachment case. They're not saying that there was no wrongdoing. Neither are they saying that there was wrongdoing. All they're saying is that you did not handle it properly. That's it. Then that's why accountability just doesn't come into it here. It's an entirely highly tangential matter. It is not a central point in the discussion. Yeah. May importante na maliwanag sa tao yun. Kasi sinasabi, yung the natural reaction, hindi ka abogado. Hindi ba sasabihin mo? Sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi talaga totoo. Wala namang ginawang mali pala. Hindi yun ang sinabi ng Supreme Court. Ang sinabi ng Supreme Court, hindi tama yung pagkahawak ninyo sa House, ang pagkahawak ninyo doon sa impeachment complaint. Yun lang. So, accountability doesn't come into it. It does not question our accountability whatsoever. Ang COA nandyan, they can examine all of this. And much of this will be, I'm sure, because we are coming up to the budget process. Palagay ko, maglalabasan na naman lahat yan.
Hi, sir.
Hello?
Magandang umaga po. Opo. Sir, you mentioned kanina na may mga bagay dito sa impeachment po na kailangan maging maliwanag sa atin pong publiko. Ang nangyayari po kasi, yung napapakinggan ay yung iba't ibang panig. Have you spoken or have they reached out to you at the very least, yung mga allies po ninyo or anybody dito sa sitwasyon na ito kasi nga medyo humahaba na po siya.
Na mahaba ang...
Yung usapin, sir, sa impeachment, maraming kailangan ipaliwanag. You mentioned it already kanina po.
No, no, in my case, well, siyempre may nung tatanong sa akin, sasabihin, sorry, problema niyo yan, hindi ako nanghihiram ng problema. That's your problem. Again, that situation does not really involve me. It would be highly improper for me to tell my friends who are in the Senate and who are in the House na ito yung dapat ninyong gawin. Highly improper yun. Pati na ako, ma-impeach kung gagawin ko yun. Hindi ko gagawin yun. So yes, they ask, and we talk about it, but it's not as if I try to direct their actions. That's the last thing I want to do. Besides, when this all started, I immediately came to the conclusion, I have no part in this. So, we'll just continue doing our work. And then, mukhang tapos na. Ewan ko kung mag-MR pa ang House. Meron na. Oh, yun. Well, then the process will continue. Pabayaan natin. But if the Senate has decided not to try the case, I don't know. Even if the Supreme Court reverses itself, I don't know where that will put the whole thing. I don't really worry about it too much for myself. I just need to. There's so many things we need to do that I don't have. Those are my priorities, not this.